In this video, I'll show you how you can find the exact difference between two dates on Excel. Now, as you can see here, I have my exact date difference between these two. And the way you can do that is by using the DATEDIF formula. So let me show you how you can do that. Let's say you have your first date right here, and you have the second one, and you want to find what's the difference between these two. Now, I'll leave a formula in the comments down in the description, and you can simply copy that one. So what you want to do is you want to copy this one, and obviously you want to replace these with the correct one. So let's change these to column 3, just like that. Now when I press enter, it will give me the exact difference between these, and I have the same up here. As you can see, it's A2 and B2. For this, it's A3, B3. So this is the formula. I'll put a link to it so you can just copy and paste. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.